Hello guys, today I'm gonna make a vlog for this YouTube channel. So if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe my YouTube channel because I post every week different videos with my pigeons. I have different birds. Also I have racing pigeons and I have a lot of babies. I will show you these small babies in this video. These are ice pigeon, archangel pigeon. This is a baby of this male. Also you have another small baby here. Update, we have the kings. The king pigeon here have eggs and is very aggressive with me, but this is good. It need to be aggressive. Very big pigeon. This is a male and that's the female. The blue have eggs and have another 2 eggs of that birds because that bird don't want to stay on them and I put it on the kings. Here I have another pair inside because I want to be together, these 2 birds. Also here I have eggs, they are good. I check them with the light and it's very good. Also I just give them food to all my pigeons. It's the morning routine in this moment, I can say. These are the pigeons. I have 11 pair. Just 10 pair are official with eggs or baby, and another 1 pair it's not official because they are not together. Here it's a small baby from the first egg from this year. This, I like this bird. It starts to change the color. It's dominant opal. I hope to be frill to see if the color will change soon. I'm not sure, but I hope. I have this for sale. This is a full black male, and I have another this baby, female. Okay, so I will show you now the small babies, the small chicks. Hey, where are you? Here, first one. Here we have one. Okay, I can how to like this to show you this. It's a nice one. The father of this bird is, where is it? It's this first from here, the male, and the female it's hetero frill, but I don't see the female right now. This is the chick. I'm not sure what color will be, but hope to be something. I put the ring. It's the ring from the last year 2025-24 because I don't have yet. I ordered the rings, but I don't have yet. Here I have eggs on this pair. Here nothing. Here 2 small baby. Okay, it's hard to record like this. Okay, this is a female. If you see the color, have 2 baby here. It's very nice. Yeah, mama, please. Like this. You see, was 3 eggs here with another baby, but one don't survive. I don't know why. Was almost close to get out, but no, I don't know what happened. Here are eggs, sorry, not afraid. Here eggs, here very soon egg. Here have two small baby, no, three, sorry. Okay, here I have three because this is a female. I need to put the ring in this moment after the video. Yeah, I know, please don't. Wait a moment, get out, please. Yes. Okay, here I have three baby because I put another egg from another nest. Now, now it's better, like that. Okay, focus, please, focus. These are little big and one it's a little smaller, but hope to survive together. I need to put this in another space because it will be hard for him to grow. I need to put the rings right now for these two because they are big in this moment. Here I have another two baby. You see my birds are very good. They protect, it's normal to do like this because they protect the baby. Okay, here is a male. Also down here I have two baby. These have rings. I put them. I'm not sure what color will be. It's something with gray. I hope this year to have more frill. Stencil, toy stencil, I hope, or hetero toy stencil, because I like this bird and I want to have more like that. I have some very good bird. These are some of my birds. Also, these three are for sale. This is a pair, black male, female, and this, but I don't know what color is. Very good, but look very nice. I like this also. This is the brother of the small female I show you. Also I have there in the corner. I don't know why they want to do birds. My birds want to have eggs in that corner because last time was another pair and now it's that pair, because I have here 12 different space and I have just 10 pair of birds. They have more space, but some of them occupied sometimes two or more like that. I hope to be good in the future. I don't know, we will see, but for the moment I'm very happy. So I have 3 babies there, 2 there, 2 eggs, soon eggs, 1 baby, 2 baby, and eggs I don't know, some here I have 2 eggs down there. Also 3 pairs there, and also here this is for food. We have here 5 pair like this, Romanian without fence around the neck, Transylvania flying pigeon. This is the name. I have there 1 pair eggs, 9 11, 8, and 1 with eggs. I need to clean to restore this space with numbers for okay. And also here I had eggs, but they broke the eggs because I put different space like that. they want to stay there. They have also, sometimes pigeons are crazy, they have more spaces. They are just 5 pair and they have 15 spaces, if you see, but they want maybe sometimes down or sometimes there. So we will see in the future. Also here in the other space I have the exotic pigeons and different birds, if you saw my last videos. If you don't, check my YouTube channel, subscribe, because I will post more and more very soon, because it starts the season. We will have more babies and you'll see. He's singing, the male. They want love. Okay, we will have, yeah, we see right now. Nice. Amazing. They're laughing. I love these birds. Yeah, subscribe again and thumbs up and leave me a comment. It will help me to grow this YouTube channel. So see you next time. Ciao.